Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more English learning videos. In today's quick class, I want to tell you when to use in, on, and at as a preposition of place, so where we are. For the most general or largest places, we use in. For example, Shanghai is in China. Shanghai is in China. It's a very large place, so we use in. For more specific places, for example, street names, we use on. For example, I live on Central Avenue. I live on Central Avenue. It's more precise to where we are. If you want to give the exact place, we use at. For example, come to my office at 21 Central Avenue. We use at for very, very specific addresses. So that's when to use in, on, and at as a preposition of place. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.